Welcome guys, so today I am with ALCATEL 1 from 2022 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first, when we are in the photo mode, I'm going to show you how we can use zoom feature. So as you can see, currently we got only 1x, but when you click and hold, you will be able to switch between 2x and 4x. You are also able to use this slider to zoom in and zoom out a little bit better. When you click and hold on the screen, you can simply decrease or increase brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just click once. Another tip will be about this option. We can go between 2, 5 or 8 seconds of shutter delay, and when you click and hold after this time, the photo will be taken, as you can see. Okay, let's turn it off. Right now, when you click and hold this shutter, as you can see, you can take series of the photo. You are able to take 8 photos in each series. We can use also the volume buttons, volume up and volume down to take photos. And when we click and hold, we will also take series of the photos. When you open the settings, we can find other options. Like for example, we can change volume button function. So currently, as I show you, we can use them as a shutter, but we can switch, for example, to use zoom feature. We can also enable function touch to capture, and right now when you click on the screen once, we will take photo. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, we can click on the screen and take photos. And right now, take a look how this feature looks with the volume buttons. As you can see, we switch from shutter to zoom, and that's how it looks. And we can use also this option, touch to capture. And we can also zoom out. Okay, so that's all for the ALCATEL 1 from 2022. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.